Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is something you might read about. It's called the confounding relationship, or the confounding factors, or the confounding variables. You get these a lot in cohort studies or case controls or any of your observational studies. And what this basically is saying is that you have two risk factors, and they both are contributing to one variable, but only one of them is being reported on. So, for instance, if you take something like, let's take alcohol. Let's take alcohol drinking. So you have alcohol drinking, and you say it leads to heart disease. Okay? Very, very simple. So you have this relationship. You think that's the variable that's causing that. Easy enough. The problem is, let's say you have obesity down here as another risk factor, but you're not including that in your study. What you actually have then is this little triangle gets formed, and now obesity becomes a confounding factor or confounding variable in this relationship, okay? And this can really throw off the results, etc., moving forward. So anytime you read these things, they should disclose any confounding variables and what they did to limit it. And much like we talked about all our other biases from units before, you can really do a good job of limiting these type of confounding variables through blinding, randomization, etc. Same basic things that we have been doing. So as you read some of these things, you come across these terms, just kind of get used to seeing the different names of the ratios. If you see something like a confounding variable, etc., you read these different observational studies.